Okay, so today, after going through some comments and emails, we got Charlie Parker, Bluebird. Never heard of this guy. It's a jazz musician, so we just gonna tap in and see what it is. We trying to learn our history, like we said before, so we gotta start from the roots, man. Now I do know of Ella Fitzgerald and some other jazz, Frank Sinatra, all them, old time, them the mainstream ones. But did they start it or did they, follow somebody that kind of started the trail? So I'm just trying to look into the beginnings of the instruments. Let's see where they flavor from. Here we go. You hear the bass player in the back? He back there like, dum dum dum, like he getting in. I bet you he getting in back there. I hear him, but damn, this dude's flowing right now. I wonder what this song's about. The title Bluebird. I mean, it could mean a lot, but I'm gonna have to look that up too. See what this song about. Let's listen. Whoa. Okay, so that puts me back in like the black and white cartoon days, like Pepe Le Pew and them before they had them screaming and everything, and it was just music and them acting out scenes. See, people forget that there was an era switch, where it was really like I watched cartoons that were all musicals, and they didn't even scream like Tom and Jerry. When they first came out with the whole screaming behind the musical and like getting hurt and everything, to us kids, that was like the goofiest thing ever, and we all loved it. But that's crazy. That one pushed me back in like before then. How would I know? Like I don't know. I listened to a lot of different stuff growing up, but my memory is like from 3 years old and under. Who would know anything like that? I don't know. That's cool. Until next time, we out here.